Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, children. Namaste, everyone. Namaste, children.
Ma'am, can you message every time when the class starts at 6:10? Because I have to always again check the WhatsApp at 5.
1 minute, wait, I'll see that. Because my mobile was shut down. Just that part, and I'll send a message. 1 minute. Yes, children, where we are in? We are in last class. What are the concepts we thought, children? We learned which chapter it is actually? Yes.
Basic geometrical ideas, ma'am.
Basic geometrical ideas. In that we are discussed about line segment, ray, yes or no? Parallel lines.
Yes, ma'am. Curves. Simple curves.
Perpendicular lines, perpendicular, intersecting lines, concurrent points, concurrent lines, collinear points. Collinear points we did not discuss, but it is happened in our one of the quiz. Collinear means all points passing through the same line. I'll tell that point also, children. Once it is over, we discussed with curves. What are different types of curves? What are closed curves? What are open curves? Not only this, the simple curves like what? A circle, a triangle, square. All these are simple curves, simple closed curves. Whereas complex curves is a star, right, children? The best example for complex curve, number 8 and star shape, and a few students already sent through WhatsApp also. I gave some work for the students. They already sent. Very good, children. 1 minute.
Ma'am, are you presenting your screen?
Not it. 1 minute. I'll just give a reminder message, then we will start. What are curves, children? Anyone from the class? Curves. What are simple curves? What are simple closed curves? And what are complex curves?
Any drawing without lifting the pen?
Good evening, ma'am.
Yes,
Good evening.
Monish. Good evening, Monish. Good evening.
Any drawing without lifting the pen or pencil is known as a curve.
Very good, Sritej. without lifting pen or pencil, any doodle, any drawing, if you draw any drawing without lifting, that's nothing but curve. Adrit, is a straight line is a curve in mathematics?
No, ma'am.
Yes or no, beta?
No.
Straight line is a curve or not?
Is it no?
I did not get, Adrit, your voice is very low.
Ma'am, Adrit is saying no.
Oh, in general language, curve means it's like a bending, right? But in mathematics, I particularly mentioned the point also. In mathematics, anyone from the class? Advika?
Ma'am, in mathematics,
Is a straight line is a curve or not?
ma'am, it is.
Very good. It's curve. In mathematics, especially Adrit, straight line, like sleeping line, standing line, whatever the line, it's a line or line segment, it's a curve. Right. Okay, coming to the part of today's session, there is a polygon. Is a very important word, children. Polygon is a word. Polygon is a simple closed curve bounded by line segments. That's more important. Please, today's very important point of today's class is polygon. What are polygons? Polygon is a simple closed curve bounded by line segments. So bounded means its boundaries are line segments. A polygon is a simple closed curve. That's more important, children. It is a simple closed curve. Simple closed curve bounded by line segments. Bounded by line segments. Bounded by line segments. It's more important, children. Please remember. Sometimes what they're going to ask about definition of polygon. What is some examples? Suppose it's a simple closed curve. Can you give some examples? Bounded by line segments, only line segments.
Pentagon.
Very good. It's a pentagon. Pentagon, how many sides, children? It's 5-sided polygon. Very good. Pentagon. Very good. Rectangle. Yes. A rectangle. It's a quadrilateral. Any other, children? Any other? Sorry.
Triangle.
Triangle. Right. It's triangle. 3-sided. What is the shape, ma? Hexa or hepta?
Hectare.
Hepta means 7-sided closed figure. 7-sided. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7-sided polygon, heptagon or septagon. This is having two names, children. Septagon or heptagon. Both names we can call it as. Yes, both are correct. It is septagon or heptagon. Both are correct.
And parallelogram.
Very good. It's parallelogram. One of our students said, ma'am, parallelogram is also a quadrilateral, children. What is quadrilateral? All 4-sided figures. 4-sided closed figures are quadrilaterals. Yes. Yes, any other?
Is it hectagon?
Adrit?
Hectagon.
Yes, sir. Hexagon. Hexagon is 6-sided closed figure, right? Hexa means 6-sided figure. Hexagon means a 6-sided figure like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6-sided figure. Very good. But sir, can we go? Yes, square. Square is again quadrilateral having only 4 sides. right? Good. Yeah. Now, what are polygons? Can you give few examples? Can you give any 2 examples? Can you do this question, children? Subjective part there. You may get 2 marks question. What are polygons? Yes, Sadvika.
Mom, is it like closed figure or the shape?
It's like, suppose there is one wonderful question by the student. Ma'am, it's closed figure. You gave a simple closed figure. So can circle is also a polygon, children? Is circle is a polygon or not?
No, ma'am. No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Only with line segments.
Very good. Very good, Deepika. It's only bounded by line segments. No, circle is not a polygon. No, it's not a polygon. Why? Because the definition, it seems it's bounded. It's simple closed. Of course, it is closed figure, but it should be bounded with line segments, not curves. But it should be bounded by line segment, not by curves. Good.
Ma'am, cube is a...
Cube, but that's once again 3D figures, better.
Ma'am, it is a polygon or not?
Yes, obviously the faces of cube. You said cube. The faces of cube means all sides are, what is the shape of all sides, children? All surfaces. We can call it as surfaces. Each and every surface of cube is square in shape. Yes or no? Square in shape. So we can call it as cube is also a. That's why we have lateral, we are learning tetrahedrons, not only polygons. Polygons only depending on 2D shapes here. Coming to the part of extinction part to 3Ds, we have some tetrahedrons. Tetrahedrons means 3D polygons. These are 2D polygons. Square, rectangle, triangle, pentagon, hexagon, a parallelogram. These all are 2D polygons. Coming to 3D means once again tetrahedrons. Those we will learn later, children. Don't worry about those part. We'll go with the first. Deepika, did ma'am say Radhika? 1 minute, ma'am. Definition for polygon, we got that. And the rest of the classics, what you have? Do you have polygons extension part or else only? Okay. Even we have the part of polygons. About polygons. Right, children. This chapter did we complete that? For classics, main median mode. What's our, is it class 6 or class 7? 1 minute. I think this is class 7.
Ma'am, no, ma'am, this is class 6. Basic geometry.
No, beta, no. Class 7, no, ours is basic geometry. Class 6 topic is even both you have in class 6 and class 7. But class 6 you have only basics. Class 7 you have extra the part of extension of your. Oh, yesterday this point I forgot, children. Interior, exterior on the boundary. If you see the figure, there is a plane given. So with a point A is interior or exterior or what figure, children? Point A.
Interior.
Very good. Point C, Ashwar.
Exterior.
Monish, is it B? Point B is lies on where?
Point C is exterior.
Monish, it's on interior or exterior?
Point B.
Point B.
Ma'am, I have a doubt. So B doesn't rise up.
Yes,
One
Ma'am,
minute,
point
1 minute.
B is in-
1 minute, ma. 1 minute. Aishwarya.
Yes, ma'am. So point B lies in the exterior or interior?
It's on the boundary, beta. Exactly lies on the boundary, right? Boundary line is given in the plane. So if it is lies on the boundary, means it's not inside, it's not outside. It is exactly on the boundary. So we can call this as a point B is on boundary.
Okay.
Good question. Right. So sometimes they may ask you what is called region. Region is nothing but the interior of curve together with the boundary is called region. Suppose this is the interior region. Exterior we doesn't have any limits for exterior. Only for interior we have, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Interior region, exterior. These are general words, children, day-to-day life where we are using same thing. So. Now coming to the polygons. Yes, there are now, we said only. Is third figure is a polygon or not, children? Please check once. The figure 3 is polygon or not.
Ma'am, it is not polygon.
Yes,
Ma'am, it is not polygon.
Please text me, children, your opinion. Text everyone quickly. Whether the third figure is polygon or not. Well, or else you have to text me which figures are polygons, which are not polygons. Come on, hurry up. Quick. Yes, please speak. I got the answers from my students. No, overall you have to text me figure 1, figure 2, like that, all figures. There are 6 figures here. Which figures are polygons, which are non-polygons? I want those. Very good, Aishwarya. Good. Yes, Adrit, very good. Adrit, please check once 3. 3, check once. Yes, Adrit, please respond, Adrit. Why figure 3 is not polygon? Advika given 1, 2, 4, 6 are the polygons. Okay, whereas 3 and 5 are not. Oh, Advika also having the doubt. Who said 4S? Ashwath given 4S, 5S, 6S. But what? Monish is given 1, 2, 4, 6. 1, 2, 4, 6. Not okay. Advika 3, yes, again she gave. Deepika given 5, no. Okay, multiple times. Please think once again. Definition you see and I'll read. I did not get answer from the few students who did not respond to the class. Aishwarya, Ashwath, Deepika, all are given, right? Soumya, please respond, beta. Deepika said, what about 6?
No, 6 is not.
Yeah, very good question by Deepika. She is given question mark for 6th one. Deepika, I'll help you. Let them think. Yeah, Adri?
1 to 5 is yes.
1 to 5 is yes. Very good. 1 to 5 is yes. Very smart answer given by the student. 1 to 5 is yes. What about 6, Adrit?
It's no.
Huh? What about 6? You think definition, you connect the definition with the figure.
No,
Advika,
ma'am. 6 is
Advika,
not a
Yes,
poly-
ma'am.
is 3, figure 3 is polygon or not?
Ma'am, it is.
Very good, it is a polygon. Yes. What about 6?
Ma'am, it is.
Okay. But Adrit said no. Adrit, why? But Adrit said no for the figure 6.
Ma'am,
But
ma'am, for
definition. Yeah, Soumya or Aishwarya, who is responding? Aishwarya, come on.
yes, ma'am, for figure 3, it's not a polygon, right?
Which one, Nana? Third one?
Yes, ma'am.
Third one is a polygon, beta. It's all line segments. If you look line segments, there is nowhere the sides are crossing, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Nowhere sides are crossing.
Ma'am,
Think about definition. Definition is a simple closed figure. It's very simple closed figure bounded by line segments.
ma'am,
Advika.
ma'am, I think 1 to 5, 1 to 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6 are the polygons, and
So sorry, beta. One you tried very well, very good. Till 4 you tried, but 6 is 6th one is you please think about 6th one once again.
Ma'am,
Adrit, 5 is not a polygon. Adrit, please check why 5 is not a polygon.
ma'am, 6 is a polygon.
Oh, Aishwarya also is arguing 6 is polygon. Okay. Okay.
Ma'am, 1 to 4 is polygons and 5 and 6 are not.
I have
Why
one question.
Sritej? Why? Very good. Sritej, absolutely correct.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, 4,
ma'am,
one is not a polygon because, ma'am, it's not a ma'am, it's line.
excuse me,
Yeah,
ma'am.
there is a side is a curved shape, right? Very good. What about the 6th one, Monish?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah, Monish, please.
I want to ask you a question from so many days.
Monish, did you send your chart once? I did not get your voice once. Wait a minute. Monish is given 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 4, 6. Oh, 4, 6 are polygons. 3 and 5 are not polygons. So 3 is a polygon, beta. It's 3 is polygon. 5, of course, 5 is not a polygon. Again, Sritej's answer is correct. Sritej, can you please give the reason for that? Why you said that? Anyway, 5th one is clarified. 5th one, they said
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, 6 one is not a polygon because it's not simple closed. It is crossing each other, so it's not simple.
very good. It's a complex closed. It's not a simple closed. That's a very good point. Because the definition, what is the definition of polygon says? Polygon is a closed figure. It's a simple closed figure. bounded by line segments, but it is a complex figure better. That's why it's non-polygon. It's not a polygon. Okay, they may give here 2. 1, 2, 3, and 4 are simple closed
Ma'am?
curves. They are polygons. Yes, ma?
Ma'am, I gave you answer in the chat. Can you see it
1
once?
minute. 1 minute, Deepika. Yes, she said no polygons have the same number of sides and angles. Same number of sides and angles because they are closed figures with non-intersecting lines. Very good. That's why they're not crossing each other. Very good point. Yeah, same thing. What Sritej is given, same thing, but you gave a little terminology, different terminology. The meaning it's in same better. Very good, Deepika. Good. Monish is given, ma'am, we are all currently residing. Are you all living in Bangalore or Hyderabad? We are, Monish, we all in Hyderabad, beta. I think few are in Bangalore also. Your friends are in Bangalore also.
Ma'am, I'm in another state.
Soumya is also in Bangalore. Who else in Bangalore, children? Monish is asking.
Ma'am, I'm not in Bangalore.
Advika is there. And Monish, where are you? You are in Bangalore or Hyderabad? Monish. Through chat message me through text. Okay. Okay, fine. That's okay, fine. Thank you, Advika, for responding. And what can you say? Are they closed? Yes, all are closed figure. So 1 to 4 are bounded by only line segment. Fifth figure is not line segment. One of the side is a curved shape. It's curved. Right. And the sixth one is it's complex closed. Of course, it is bounded by lines, but it is complex closed. But our definition is a simple closed figure bounded by line segments. That's about the point, children. Very good. And you can try in your home, children. 4 matchsticks. Try from the polygon with the 5 matchsticks, 4 matchsticks, 3 matchsticks. Okay. Try to form polygons with. Okay. Polygons, come on, children, you can do this. If anything is available with you, you can try this with 5 sticks or 4 sticks or 3 sticks. What are the shapes with 2 sticks? In which case was it not possible? Why?
Ma'am, 2. Why? Because we can't make any shape by 2 matchsticks. Like it will make
Very good. Exactly
An
correct,
open curve.
Advika. Very good. 2 matchsticks, we doesn't frame any shape like a minimum polygon. Minimum, if you want to make a polygon, minimum number of sided polygon, you need how many matchsticks? Minimum 3 sticks you need, because the triangle is formed by 3 sticks. So we need a minimum 3 matchsticks to form a polygon. Maximum you can do anything, children. Maximum you can do anything. Minimum you need 3 sides. So how many? In which case do you not possible? Why? Okay. They mentioned. Okay, that's not an issue. Now we need to know about adjacent sides, diagonals. What are adjacent sides? What are diagonals?
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, ma.
Ma'am, that's an interior and exterior. Ma'am,
No, they just which one here? These points you're asking, ma?
yes, ma'am. No,
These
ma'am.
points here. This is a we are making a polygon using matchsticks. So these all are vertices better, because the joining points, two joining points are connecting at a place. This point we can call it as interior. This point we can call it as, this point we can call it as vertices. Vertices means Vertices means line segments connecting. Two line segments are meeting at a point. That point we can call it as vertices. These are the things, line segments. These two are line segments. Those are the sides.
Ma'am?
Those are the sides. Yes, yes, Sadvika.
No, ma'am. Once can you pin me?
Sure, Advika. 1 minute, beta. Just a minute. Advika, whatever the figure you drawed, here A is interior, B is on the boundary, C is exterior.
No, ma'am. So for the B, is there any name?
B particularly, suppose these all are line segments or it's only curve shape, ma? Please let me know if it.
Suppose this inside the boundary it is interior as a room, and outside like it is the garden. So B is the door. B is the room door. So is there any name for it?
It's interior region, ma. It's suppose this complete the whatever the boundary here, this place we can call it as interior region. This complete boundary of this place we can call it as interior region. B point is on the boundary. It's on the boundary. It's on the boundary. B is on the boundary. There is no particular name. The point B is on the boundary.
Okay, ma'am. So it is
Okay.
interior, right?
No, beta, it's not interior. How we can say that is interior? It is lying on the point, lying on the line, right?
Yes, ma'am.
But you kept a thick point. What is the definition for point? Point is a sharp pencil or injection. If you know that injection part, injection, how sharp it is. Do you know the point? But you put here a little bit thick. That's why it happens in interior. What is dot? That's the dot. That's the dot. You can mention like that. The point should be represent like that. Very good. Yes, yes, correct.
Okay, ma'am.
Hope you understood. Good. Okay. Right, children. 1 minute. Give 1 minute time for me, children. I'll get back with you.
Hi guys, hi friends.
Hello.
Yes, Monish, introduce. Monish is very exciting to introduce. Please, Monish, please.
Ma'am, I joined earlier.
You are on mute.
Right, children. Coming to the back of part. What are vertices? What are edges? What are adjacent sides? What are diagonals? That's main important points, children. Any polygon, if you take any polygon, suppose, what is the part I'm asking? If you take any polygon,
Ma'am, you are on mute. Mom, are you saying something? You're on mute.
Yes, ma. I'm just giving the points like what are adjacent sides? Yes. What are diagonals? What are opposite sides? What are vertices? What are sides? You need to know those things, children. Well, that's more important. Suppose we discussed just now how many sides needed to make a polygon, children? Suppose one side. If I draw on one side, is
five,
it,
four, and
is it
five.
a closed? No, is it a closed?
No.
No. So
No,
if
ma'am.
I connected one more side, is it a closed figure?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No. Suppose one more matchstick I connected here. Is it a closed figure?
Yes,
Ma'am. Yes.
Very
Yes,
good.
ma'am.
Yeah. Minimum how many sides we need to make a polygon, children?
3.
3.
3 sides. Minimum 3 sides.
3.
Yes. A,
3.
B.
3.
So these line segments, suppose A is, you can name it as these connecting points of these sides.
Edges.
Vertices,
Edges.
very good. No, it's not. It's
Okay, sorry, ma'am.
vertices. Point A, comma point B, and point C, we can call it as vertices. Right? What are sides, children? What are sides? The line segment AB, line segment BC, line segment AC or CA. These are the sides of the polygon. These are sides of the polygon. Coming to the part, which is interior region. Suppose if I'm keeping a point D here, a point E is somewhere, and a point F is here. Which point is interior, which is exterior, which is on the boundary?
Ma'am, point D is interior and
Point D is interior, very good.
point E is exterior.
Point E is exterior.
Point F is boundary.
Point F is
On the boundary.
very good, on the boundary. Good. These are the basic things. Now you know triangle has 3 sides, 3 vertices, and how many basic, these are the basic elements, children. What we can call it as 3, how many basic elements for triangle? How many basic elements for triangle, children?
Ma'am, 3. Ma'am,
No.
3.
No. 3 sides, 3 vertices, and 3 sides, 3 vertices. So coming to the next class, if you go to 7th class, you may have 3 sides and 3 angles. Here we can take as 3 vertices. Even we can mention the angles, children, but not at these are not included here. Only basic elements we can consider in this class 3 sides and 3 vertices. Coming to the class 7, you have added with 3 more angles. So total 9 elements we have. 9 basic elements.
3 line segments.
Yes, 3 sides means 3 line segments, 3 vertices, 3 corners. So corners is nothing but vertices, better. If you see this, so vertices is nothing but corners. Sides is nothing but edges. Yes. Angles means we can take interior angles. These are the angles I'll draw with different colors. Later you can, these are the basic elements of the triangle. What are the basic elements of the triangle? 3 sides, 3 vertices, 3 angles. This is about triangles. But we need to know about what are adjacent sides, opposite sides. What are diagonals? That's more important. I'm going to take some other polygon to take here because in your textbook they mentioned How many sided polygon?
Pentagon. Pentagon.
Or 5. Pentagon, right? Even we need to take a pentagon. Yes.
Okay.
Come on, children, take a pentagon. Take a pentagon. Name the pentagon, children. You can name it with any name. Take as what is the name of the pentagon? A, B, C, D, E. Now, what are the sides of this pentagon, children, or edges of this pentagon? What are the edges? Yes, I'll just, you can please check that. What are the edges?
Ma'am, 5.
Sorry, sides, Nana. First sides, then we will go with vertices. What are sides? AB. AB is a line segment. Then BC. Then CD. Then
DE.
DE or ED. Both you can write. Then EA or AE. You can write in both ways, children, either AB or BA, BC or CA, CD or DC, or ED, anything, anyway, because lines like these are the sides of the figure, EA. You can write in any way. What about vertices? How many vertices a pentagon having?
Ma'am, 5. Ma'am, 5.
5 vertices. Very good. What are those?
A, point A,
Yes.
point B, point C,
Yes.
point D, point E. That's all.
Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good, Monish.
Ma'am,
Now,
ma'am, it has pentagon has 5 angles. Ma'am,
very
angle
good.
AB.
Very good. The angles are also, there are 5 interior angles. Very good. Right. Right. Now, my point is, if I draw, what are adjacent vertices? What are non-adjacent vertices? What are adjacent? Adjacent means side by side. Adjacent means side by side. For A, vertex A, which is adjacent vertices? E and B are adjacent. What are non-adjacent? C and
Ma'am,
B
DC.
are non-adjacent. Come on, children, if you connect non-adjacent vertices, if you connect non-adjacent vertices, those are called diagonals. Those are called diagonals. What are diagonals? With respect to A, I did. With respect to vertex A, I did. With respect to vertex B.
I think by my own, I think the definition I'm saying, like the diagonals are like they can join 3 points, like not AE or AB directly, like jumping.
That's why non-adjacent. Non-adjacent means which is not neighbor to the A. Those points, if you connect the line segment, we call it as diagonal. Very good, Advika, your point is correct, because with respect to A, I'm taking. Here I'm taking with respect to A. So here, with respect to A, who are neighbors to A? Who are neighbors to A? B and
E.
B and E. Those are adjacent vertices. If you connect non-adjacent vertices, those are called diagonals. What are non-adjacent vertices to A?
DC.
See, if you connect A to C and A to D, those are diagonals with respect to A. Same way, if I go with B, so come on, children, please take with respect to B. B for B, who are neighbors? For B, who are neighbors?
A and E.
Who are non-neighbors?
E and D.
E and D.
Very good. E and D. So if I connect those things, good. Now with respect to C.
E and A.
Already A is connected, only C is not connected. We can connect this. That's all, children.
Ma'am,
These
you
are the
made a star.
a beautiful star. If you connect all the diagonals of pentagon, what shape you are going to occur? You can observe here. Interior also a wonderful pentagon is happening. Yes or no? Do you observe this part or not?
Ma'am, there are 10.
What, ma? If you see this place, I'll just draw a few things here. There is a wonderful concept is actually connecting with this figure, children. Later I'll help you. You know, yes,
Ma'am,
ma?
I know. Ma'am, I know.
Yeah. Now,
Ma'am, you
yes.
drawed a pentagon, na? Inside that pentagon, you drawed a star. And in between of it, there is one more pentagon.
Exactly. Exactly. How many triangles are there? Come on, think about the figure, children. How many triangles are there in this pentagon?
Ma'am,
There are
Okay, think and chart me, text me through chat box. Don't tell because they may copy, others may copy. Come on, hurry up, hurry up. So sorry, Adrit, Advika. Soumya is thinking little. So sorry, Ashwath is thinking more than that. He got more. Aishwarya got 9. So sorry. Why you just check. There are different answers for my students. Check, children. How many triangles are there in this figure? This is the task for you today.
Are there 10?
Yes, ma?
Are there 10 triangles?
Is it 11?
One is telling 10, one is telling 5, one is telling 6.
I'm 11. Ma'am, 13.
13. I want a correct answer, children, because you are
11.
giving different. I'll just mark it with some color so you people can count. I don't know how many are there. I'll just mark with one green color triangles.
Ma'am, 9?
First I'm taking this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, till here 5 triangles. Then some other color I'll take for something different.
Ma'am, are there 9?
1 minute, I'll come. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right? Okay, till here, okay. Then, not only that, we have some other. Now, if you see, this is the triangle AED. Yes or no, children? If you see, this is a triangle. Yes or no? If you see, this is also a triangle. If you see, this is triangle. If you see, not only that, only the part. If you take some part, this is a part of triangle. Here there is another part. Two triangles connected. Also, there is one more new triangle is forming. I'll take with some color because you can solve. This is today homework for you, children. Tomorrow with correct answer you get back.
13.
I don't know how many are there. This is also a triangle. Same way, this is, if you take this way, this is also one more triangle. If you take, this is a big triangle once again. Like that, you can think and let me know. How many are there?
Ma'am, we have to do it by ourselves.
You can try in home. Today, there is a work for you. You can draw a pentagon, draw its diagonals. How many triangles are there? That's your homework. You can think and give correct answer. Right. Sorry, children, whatever Advika is tried a little more, but Advika, there is a few more you can think and let me know. Sorry, not 11 beta, more than 17. Advika is given 17, but more. Don't expect and give. I want the correct answers also. You have to vary it with the different colors and show it. Deepika is given 26. So that triangles also you can name and send to me, children, the pics. Okay, coming to the part of the session. Okay, yes, children, diagonals. What are diagonals, children? You can see the diagonals of the figure is AC, AD, BD, BE, and CD. These are the diagonals. Same thing written in the textbook also. AC, AD, BD, BE, CE are the 5 diagonals. Is BC is a diagonal? Is BC is a diagonal, children?
No, ma'am.
No, because these are neighbors. These are adjacent. It's not a diagonal. Why not? Yes, it is not. It's an adjacent side. It's not a diagonal. Now draw a polygon. Name all sides, adjacent sides, and vertices and diagonals. You can take A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, and name the vertices. You have to draw the polygon with the names A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. And adjacent sides 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8-sided polygon. 8-sided octagon, very good. Octopus having 8 legs, so which is octagon.
When will the class end?
Take more 5 to 10 minutes better. Okay, because today's class little late it is started. Can I take Karen's any difficult children? Any other class you have?
Ma'am, can you give a hint?
Can you give
A hint, ma'am, to that question.
hint? This is also one more question. This is also same like question. A, B, C, D, octagon you have to draw. And octagon sides, all adjacent sides, and vertices you have to, as well as diagonals, you have to mention, children. Next class, we are going with angles, children, which are interior, which are exterior. We are going to discuss about those things. Next class. This class, only the part. What are the takeaway points from today's class, children? The definition of polygon. Definition of. Yes, Monish. Yes, Monish.
Ma'am, you said about
Monish, please,
polygon.
definition of, 1 minute. Monish, what are polygons?
Ma'am, polygon is a simple closed curve which is bounded by line segments. Example, we can take heptagon, also known as septagon, and circle is not a polygon, and you said pentagon or
Yes,
octagon.
very good.
etc.
What are the elements in polygon, beta? Elements means what are the parts in polygon? Like
Ma'am, we have sides. We have sides.
Sides
is a
sides. Common
vertices,
endpoints is
adjacent
nothing but vertices, adjacent sides,
Adjacent
diagonals.
vertices.
Very good. Very good, Nana. Very good.
Thank
Next.
you. Ma'am,
Right.
Diagonals.
Yes. What other things we discussed in today's class?
Diagonals.
Diagonals. Okay. Diagonals. But today's homework is draw the pentagon, draw its diagonals, and how many triangles are there? That's one question. Second question is draw a octopus. Octopus means octagon, not octopus. Octagon you should draw, and draw its sides, adjacent sides, vertices, and diagonals. and you have to find how many number of triangles also formed in that. Okay, that's your homework. That's all for the day, children. We'll meet in next class. Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Please think. Today you can enjoy with your homework.
Ma'am,
You
can
can
you,
enjoy.
ma'am, can
Yes,
you,
Moni.
ma'am, can you
Moni.
post this in the WhatsApp? Ma'am, can you post this
Okay.
on the WhatsApp?
Yes, you can do it and post an answer in your WhatsApp too.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
you should, can you post this question in the WhatsApp?
WhatsApp group. Okay.
No, not, yes, WhatsApp group only.
Or else you can take just now. There is a question here with you. You can take. This is what is this? This is already we did, right? Same way you have to do for your. Where is the question? Okay. You can take the question from here.
Ma'am, good evening.
Sir, good evening, sir.
How are you, ma'am?
I'm good, sir. How are you, sir?
Good, good. Thank you very much. Good
Sir.
evening, children.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Monish, how are you, beta?
Fine, sir.
You are able to understand?
Sir, yes, but sometimes I'm not understanding.
Sometimes you are not understanding. So, first of all, your internet connectivity is over because you had some problem, no? Internet connectivity, connection,
No, sir.
disconnection.
No, sir. It is
Now
not
it is-
over.
Still, you have problem.
Yes, sir.
So, your parent is there with you?
No, sir.
Please inform your parent to talk to me. I have sent message also to your dad or mom to call me. I didn't receive any call. So this one of the, I mean, either mom or dad should sit with you for a couple of days, and internet connectivities, whatever issues are there, that should be resolved. Right. If you have any concern with respect to understanding, please go through the recordings, whatever ma'am is teaching. I understand you have difficulties in math, but math is not so tough. If you focus and if you listen carefully, it becomes very easy. Right, beta?
Sir, I'm asking ma'am to post this question. She is assigned some homework. I want her to assign it on the WhatsApp.
WhatsApp, you are able to access, no? On that WhatsApp also, you can find the question paper, whatever ma'am is assigning the questions. And moreover, she is teaching from the NCRT. Do you have NCRT books?
No, sir. No textbook.
You don't have a textbook. So that is the reason you inform your parent to talk to me. I will inform them. Let them to purchase. It will hardly cost 70-80 rupees. Right? And ma'am is assigning regular basis some homework. You should practice. And what you can do, my number is there as a admin, no? Chanakya tutorial you find. You chat with
Sir.
me, you send me
Sir.
the answer. Yes, beta.
Sir, my father wants to talk to you.
Okay. He's there now?
No, sir. He want to. He's not. He's busy. He cannot talk to you. You'll tell.
Yeah. After the class, please inform him to talk to me. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Whenever he is free. And once he is talking, I will tell him what are the necessary things is required.
But sir, can you please tell ma'am to assign that homework so that I can write? I'll buy the textbook.
Sure,
Yeah,
beta.
yeah,
I'll write in WhatsApp group. Don't worry. Same
Yeah.
question, whatever the question highlighted here, that's your homework. I'll write it. Don't worry about it.
Monish, one thing I will clarify about ma'am. No, ma'am is having more than 20 years teaching experience, and she teaches like even I used to learn through her way of teaching. You should first submit yourself and try to understand what she is teaching. Try to listen her. Okay, once she is teaching and you refer more and more the class recordings wherever she has taught. No, whatever class recordings are there, I think you find the renamed part also. Ma'am, hope you are renaming the daily basis lectures. So you can refer her lectures. Okay, beta?
Yeah, what we want to know, let him have the syllabus. Syllabus you conduct. I mean, you just give him what the textbook he needs to read.
Sir, NCRT books is still for grade 6, NCRT books.
So what is the syllabus? I mean, what is the book in and what are the topics you're covering? No, he is not sure about
I'll share
it.
the link, sir. I'll share the link so that they can access easily. Chapter
Okay.
wise, I can share the link in the WhatsApp group so that it is easy for you to.
Yes. And also one thing I want to see is that you involve them. The pace is not required. If you go at a faster pace, when they don't follow, they have a problem.
Sir,
You
I
involve them,
request,
interact
sir,
with them.
sir, I would like to request you one thing.
Yeah.
Either of the lecture of mathematics, no, either you or ma'am, your missus may sit for the classes. Ma'am is not teaching very fast. She involved because today also I was listening very carefully and she
Correct.
had called Moni's name also, but he was silent. So that is the reason I request you, either you or your missus to sit along with the Monish because you are listening from one side from Monish. Because they will be
See,
talking to
what
each
we
and
want
every
to
child.
get, the interest should be created within him, and he should involve himself. We can come in, we can pitch in, but at the end
It
of
is
the
not,
day,
I'm not telling, sir, you should not.
interest has to
Sir,
generate.
listen, please listen me. I'm not telling you to sit continuously every time, but yes, unless until his fear is over, maybe you require to sit for around 10 days, 15 days, or 1 month
Yes.
until he's getting the grip. And no need to
Yes.
sit for entire 1 hour also, sir. Like
Hmm.
if you sit with him, he will be focused. Otherwise, now what is happening? There is a, like even I had informed you, he gets connected, disconnected, connected, disconnected. There is internet issues. So once you sit with him, you will come to know what is the actual problem. Otherwise, what happens? No, the kind of a progress you may not be able to perceive. Here,
No, what
your
I'm telling
students
is,
are
yeah,
there,
now
sir.
that we are giving the textbook, textbook is important. What syllabus you cover, we can
Yes,
help
yes,
him
yes.
in the
Ma'am will share.
form of teaching him if he has any doubts. So
Yes, yes.
sitting in the class may not be possible for either of us because we are in the meetings or busy with some other work.
Ma'am
So
is also working, sir, or both of you are
yeah,
working?
she is, but she is. I mean, she is new to it totally, so she may not
Doesn't matter,
be.
sir. Let her to accompany him, sir. Where see, if the problem is there, from parent side support is needed. I'm not telling entire year you have to sit. For where the
Correct,
problem is there, it should be now internet problem is there to whom we should inform. There is a
correct.
group of students, no sir. We cannot
Yeah,
wait for money alone itself. So please inform your message also to sit accompany him for couple of days.
correct.
Once everything is set right,
Yeah,
he
she is not
enjoys to sit.
interested, but I will try. And what I want is, very clear cut what syllabus she will teach. Let him go ahead
NCRT,
and
sir. I'm telling
now that he has
NCRT.
holidays,
Yeah,
what textbook
NCRT
are you
syllabus.
referring? What is the
And
agenda? What is the syllabus you are going to cover? Those are very important.
sir, please
Okay.
refer. There is a daily, ma'am is also posting work done in the class. There it will be chapter name will be there, what she is teaching, everything will be mentioned.
And why
Kindly
are
let
they so averse to attending mental ability? Mental ability is very important, right? They're not even attending the class. Maths and mental ability is always, I have to force him, be pushy.
that is the
Though
reason, sir.
I
See,
work from home, I have meetings. So, I'm not sure that I can
no,
sit
no,
with
you
them.
can talk to me,
Not
sir,
attending
separately.
mental
I have requested you to talk to me. You after this class, no, whenever you are free, please call me. Okay, sir.
Sure, sure.
Okay, okay, sir. Hello, ma'am.
Sir.
Sorry, I
So,
took your
okay,
5 minutes
okay.
time. So please carry
Okay,
on.
sir.
And dear children, if you have any difficulties, please talk to ma'am directly. You can request her. She is like a mother itself. And your concern is ma'am concern. She never treat you differently.
I
And
think
I will,
Monish problem is, sir, it's only network issue, but the child is
yeah,
very active. Only
yeah,
due to
yeah, he is
network,
active.
he is not connecting properly. The voice is not getting. If once Monish on the mic, the complete class is very noisy, sir. I don't know what is the issue.
Yes, yes,
Other
we
day
will
also I
resolve it.
said the
We
same
we
thing
will
to
resolve it.
Monish.
We have already informed to sir also, anyone to
Yeah, that's
accompany.
only network
And
issue, I think so.
And children, one thing I can assure you, ma'am, whoever children she has taught, no, now just now board result has come. Children have got out of 100, some child got even 96, 97, 98, best result is 99. And who are those kids? Those kids were struggling in mathematics. It is not like they are bright and then they got this much. They were struggling. So this is the statement I am quoting, and this is done by none other than Bharti ma'am. So please listen her lecture, whatever she teaches. No,
Monish,
you
first
are
thing, trust us. Trust us. If you have any difficulties, please let me know your difficulty. And first thing, you are connecting with multiple devices. That's your problem. Once your mic is unmuted, it's very noisy. You cannot focus. You can connect with your only single device so that you can listen properly. And recording sessions also available. So if you have anywhere connectivity problem, you can please go through once. Or else personally, you just message me, ma'am, this is a difficulty for me. So we can help you in that way.
true, ma'am. I think, ma'am, you please take over and
Okay.
please call me once class is over, ma'am. Please call me for
Okay, sir.
2 minutes.
Okay,
We will
sure,
have
sir. Sure,
this.
sir.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
Thank you very
right,
much.
sir.
Bye.
Okay, bye, children. Yes, Deepika and Monish, I think you people both are there here. Monish, you are asking about today's homework, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Monish, are you there? Yeah. Your homework is we completed with a pentagon and its diagonals were completed. What is your work? How many triangles are there in this pentagon? You need to find out. That's your first task. The second task is you need to draw one more octagon, because this is A to H, means you may get octagon. You have to name all the sides, how many adjacent sides are there, how many vertices and diagonals. Then the same way you have to count how many triangles are there in this also. That's the
Ma'am,
only two things. Once you
ma'am,
complete it, you can post your homework personally.
ma'am,
Yes, Monish.
ma'am, can you
Yes,
send
yes.
this?
Yeah,
Send
I'll
this?
send the PDF of your textbook. You can download better, or else I'll send right now your personal WhatsApp. You just message me, ma'am, hi, so that I'll send to you.
Okay, ma'am.
Just, ma'am, this is Monish. You just put a message to me. So I'll share this PDF with you so you can access this PDF also. Okay. Right, Monish. Right. Can we end the session because other class is waiting there? And yes. Any difficulty, please share with me, children. Share with me. We can solve here. Because I don't know, from the starting onwards, you are facing some difficulty with mathematics. Is there any problem for you, Monish?
Ma'am, the mathematics is easy, but I'm not understanding that which you told me. Because you're telling me the fast.
You are not only one child in the class, beta. There are 10 students in the class. You only having the problem. Please think about it. And if you have any problem, I'll ready to help you. Okay, that's not an issue.
Okay.
Bye. Have a good day.
Okay.